Raji, can you put up Gayatri Mantra?
Yeah.
सबको नमस्ते. Welcome all.
नमस्ते सर.
For our Bal Bhajan Sandhya. So let us start with our participants. Our first participant is Kumari Nidarshana. Kumari Nidarshana, are you ready?
Nidarshana? No, she not come.
Yeah.
नहीं आई है.
Kumari Dhreya?
Yes sir.
ये वीडियो ऑन रखिए.
Yes, Dhreya, can you please switch on your video? आप आपका वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं.
ओके सर.
सबको निवेदन है कि आप आपका वीडियो ऑन करें और माइक म्यूट पे रखें. जो गाने वाले हैं वो सिर्फ अनम्यूट करें.
ओके सर. ओके. 1 मिनट. Yes sir.
Yes.
Yes sir. Hello.
Go ahead, Dhreya.
ओके. जय 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 मेरे भगवान. जय जय मेरे भगवान. हाथ जोड़ हम वंदन करते हैं. हम बालक हैं तिहारे. तुम हो प्रभु पिता हमारे. हम हैं फिर तेरे सहारे. शरण प्रभु आपकी पढ़ते हैं. जय जय मेरे भगवान. हाथ जोड़ हम वंदन करते हैं. पुत्र की अर्ज सुन लीजो. पुत्र की अर्ज सुन लीजो. कृपा प्रभु हम पर कीजो. हमें दान का ज्ञान दीजियो. हमें दान ज्ञान का दीजियो. शरण प्रभु आपकी पढ़ते हैं. जय जय मेरे भगवान. हाथ जोड़ हम वंदन करते हैं.
हो गया जी. बहुत अच्छा, धन्यवाद. अगला पार्टिसिपेंट है श्रीमती बीना जी.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा. गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है. सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है. ये बड़ी मुश्किलों से मिलता है, ये बड़ी मुश्किलों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। ये जहां वो जहां कुछ भी मांगिए यहाँ, ये जहां वो जहां कुछ भी मांगिए यहाँ, इनकी ही रहमतों से मिलता है, इनकी रहमतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। जब गई ये जिंदगी फिर तो एक श्वास भी, जब गई ये जिंदगी फिर तो एक श्वास भी, दौलतों न ताकतों से मिलता है, दौलतों न ताकतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। ये बड़ी मुश्किलों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। एक खुदा पे आस रख चाहते ये छोड़ दे, एक खुदा पे आस रख चाहते ये छोड़ दे, सुख नहीं चाहतों से मिलता है, सुख नहीं चाहतों से मिलता है, सुख नहीं चाहतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। बाबू ओ मिये खुदा ना मिले गुमान से, बाबू ओ मिये खुदा ना मिले गुमान से, सजदों और विन्नतों से मिलता है, सजदों और विन्नतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। ये जहां वो जहां कुछ भी मांगिए यहाँ, इनकी ही रहमतों से मिलता है, सतगुरु किस्मतों से मिलता है। थैंक यू।
Very good.
धन्यवाद बीना जी। अगला पार्टिसिपेंट है कुमारी युति सेतिया।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
स्टार्ट करो
नमस्ते
गायत्री
बेटा, आरंभ करो।
से। हैंड पॉइंट करके बोलो, दस बोलो, पापा देख रहे हैं। ओके फाइन।
No problem. Force मत कीजिए।
आप बहुत अच्छा गा रहे हो।
युति में ऑनलाइन हूँ बोलो, मैं भी ऑनलाइन हूँ बोलो।
Sir, give me 5 minutes. She will be there in
No
5
problem.
minutes.
No problem.
Okay, no problem.
Don't force it on her. She should not get fear psychosis. Okay.
Okay, no issues, sir. Thank you,
We saw your wonderful daughter. Very
Thank
good.
sir.
Okay,
आप
okay.
कुछ गाओगे मैडम?
Hello.
उसके बदले आप गा दो।
ओम भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। थैंक यू।
Very good.
गणपति गाएंगे, दोनों मिलके गाएंगे, मम्मा युक्ति। ओके कम। ओके फाइन। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, no, next Friday. No problem. No problem. No.
Next participant Kumari Shakti and Kumari Abhinaya.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you please unga video
Yes,
on
sir.
பண்ணுங்க ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, are we visible?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
राम 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 नाम तारकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम जानकी मनोहरम सर्वलोकनायकम जानकी मनोहरम सर्वलोकनायकम शंकरादि सेव्यमान पुण्यमान कीर्तनम शंकरादि सेव्यमान पुण्यमान कीर्तनम राम 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 वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्ति मदारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम वीर सूर वंदितम राम नाम नासकम वीर सूर वंदितम राम नाम नासकम आंजनेय जीवनम राजमंत्र रूपकम आंजनेय जीवनम राजमंत्र रूपकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम जानकी मनोहरम सर्वलोकनायकम जानकी मनोहरम सर्वलोकनायकम शंकरादि सेव्यमान पुण्यमान कीर्तनम शंकरादि सेव्यमान पुण्यमान कीर्तनम वीर सूर वंदितम रावणाद नाशकम वीर सूर वंदितम रावणाद नाशकम आंजनेय जीवनानम राजमंत्र रूपकम आंजनेय जीवनाम राजमंत्र रूपकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम राम 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 नाम तारकम राम कृष्ण वासुदेव भक्ति मुक्तिदायकम थैंक यू
Very good.
Very good, ma. Thank you very much.
Sir,
நிதர்ஷனா பாடுறீங்களாமா?
பாடுறேன்.
வீடியோ ஆன்
No,
பண்ணுமா?
let-
வீடியோ
On
ஆன்
இருக்கு.
let-
On.
ஏன்
இது
late
அம்மா
வந்த?
ஆபீஸ்ல இருந்து
ஏன்
இப்பதான்
late
தாத்தா
வந்த?
வந்தேன்.
ஏன் லேட் வந்த?
அம்மா ஆபீஸ்ல இருந்து இப்பதான் வந்தேன்.
ठीक अम्मा ठीक ओके पाड़े
बोलो रामा सीतापते जयलक्ष्मी कांता राधापते बोलो रामा सीतापते जयलक्ष्मी कांता राधापते नामदेव नलिन विलोचन नर्दन सुंदर नटराजा नामदेव नलिन विलोचन नर्दन सुंदर नटराजा बोलो रामा सीतापते जयलक्ष्मी गाता राधापते नामदेव नरसिंह विठ्ठल पंकज नित्या पारायण बोल नामदेव नरसिंह विठ्ठल पंकज नित्या पारायण बोलो रामा सीतापते जयलक्ष्मी गाता राधापते बोलो रामा सीतापते जयलक्ष्मी गाता राधापते जयलक्ष्मी गाता राधापते जयलक्ष्मी गाता पते
நிதர்சனா உங்க மைக் கொஞ்சம் கிட்ட வச்சுக்கிட்டு பாடுங்கம்மா. நடுவுல வந்து அது ரொம்ப தூரமா போயிடுச்சு போல. ஓகே. நல்லா பாடுனீங்க.
ओके
ம். நன்றி. Next participant is श्रीमती आशा मेहरा जी.
माइक अनम्यूट, माइक अनम्यूट करो।
जी आप माइक अनम्यूट कीजिए जी।
हाँ
जी आप कर सकते हो?
हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ
she's unmute.
ओके 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 राइट
Unmute.
राइट।
बांके बिहारी मुझको देना सहारा, कहीं टूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा।
वारे वाह।
बांके बिहारी मुझको देना सहारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। तेरे सिवाय दिल में समाए न कोई, तेरे सिवाय दिल में समाए न कोई, लगन का ये दीपक बुझाए न कोई, लगन का ये दीपक बुझाए न कोई। तू ही मेरी किश्ती, तू ही है किनारा, तू ही मेरी किश्ती, तू ही है किनारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। बांके बिहारी मुझको देना सहारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। तेरे नाम की माला जपता रहूं मैं, तेरे नाम की माला जपता रहूं मैं, सुबह शाम तुझको रिझाता रहूं मैं, सुबह शाम तुझको रिझाता रहूं मैं। तेरा नाम मुझको है प्राणों से प्यारा, तेरा नाम मुझको है प्राणों से प्यारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। बांके बिहारी मुझको तेरा सहारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। तेरे रास्ते से हटाती है दुनिया, तेरे रास्ते से हटाती है दुनिया, इशारों से मुझको बुलाती है दुनिया, इशारों से मुझको बुलाती है दुनिया। देखूं न हरगिज मैं दुनिया का इशारा, देखूं न हरगिज मैं दुनिया का इशारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा। बांके बिहारी मुझको तेरा सहारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा, कहीं छूट जाए ना दामन तुम्हारा।
फर्स्ट क्लास, बहुत अच्छा बहन जी।
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद जी, बहुत धन्यवाद। नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज कुमारी पूर्वजा.
यस सर
1 minute,
வீடியோ ஆன்
1 minute,
பண்ணுங்கம்மா, வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு பாடுங்க.
1 minute மா பூர்வதா இருமா, 4 second,
ஏன் முரளி?
more second.
सर பாடட்டுமா?
பாடு பாடுமா, வந்துட்ட நீ ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்துட்ட, பாடு.
हे मुरले श्रीधर राम राधे कृष्ण राधे हे मुरले श्रीधर राधे कृष्ण राधे केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधे केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधेश भक्तवत्सल राधे श्रीधराम राधे कृष्ण राधेश हे मुरले श्रीधर राधे कृष्ण राधेश केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधेश केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधेश हे मुरले श्रीधर राधे कृष्ण राधेश हे मुरले श्रीधर राधे कृष्ण राधेश भक्तवचन भागवत प्रिय राधेश भक्तवचन राधेश भागवत प्रिय राधेश हे मुरले श्रीधर राधे कृष्ण राधेश नंदनंदन राधेश्याम नंद चोर राधेश्याम नंदनंदन राधेश्याम नंद चोर राधेश्याम केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधेश केशव माधव यादव नंदन राधे कृष्ण राधेश राधे कृष्ण राधेश
வெரி குட், நல்ல பாடுனீங்க. नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट इज श्रीमती उमा महेश्वरी जी.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
பாடுங்களா? ஓகே.
प्रभो गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते தேடி தேடி எங்கோ ஓடுகின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே தேடி தேடி எங்கோ ஓடுகின்றார் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே கோடி கோடி மத யானைகள் பணி செய்ய குன்றல விளங்கும் माने प्रभो गणपते परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते சாந்து வணங்கி துதி பாடி ஆடி முந்தன் சந்நிதி சரணடைந்தோமே சாந்து வணங்கி துதி பாடி ஆடி முந்தன் சந்நிதி சரணடைந்தோமே சாந்த சேத சௌபாக்கியம் யாவையும் தந்தரு சேதி விநாயகனே பிரபோ கணபதே परिपूर्ण வாழ்வருள்வாயே प्रभो गणपते गणपते गणपते. Thank you sir.
First class ma. Very good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. Next participant is Kumari Lakshmi Lochana.
रामचंद्राय जनकराजजा मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् कोसलेशाय मन्दहासदासपोषणाय वासवादिविनुतसद्वराय मङ्गलम् चारुमेघरूपाय चन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम् ललितरत्नमण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलजसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय भावजा गुरुवराय भव्यमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय
विमलरूपाय विविध वेदांत वेद्याय चित्तकामिताय शुभगमण्डलम् रामदासाय मृदुलहृदय कमलवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् रामचन्द्राय जनकराजरामनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् कोसले साय मन्दहासदा सपोषणाय वासवादिविनुत सद्वराय मङ्गलम् चारुमेघरूपाय चन्दनादिचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम् ललितरत्नमण्डलाय तुलसीवनमालिकाय जलजसदृशदेहाय चारुमङ्गलम् देवकी सुपुत्राय देवदेवोत्तमाय भावजागुरुवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय भूतचित्तकामिताय शुभगमण्डलम् रामदासाय मृदुलहृदय कमलवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय सर्वमङ्गलम् सर्वमङ्गलम् सर्वमङ्गलम्. Thank you.
Very good. Our next participants are Kumar, Anirudh and Akshay.
Yes. Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Dasharatha Nandana Ram 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 Dashamukha Mardana Ram 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 Dasharatha Nandana Ram 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 Dashamukha Mardana Ram 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 Pasupati Ranjana Ram 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 Papa Vimochana Ram 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 Pashupati Ranjana Ram 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 Papa Vimochana Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Anatha Rakshaka Ram 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 Aapat Pandava Ram 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 Anatha Rakshaka Ram 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 Aapat Pandava Ram 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 Maithili Nandana Ram 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 Maruti Vandita Ram 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 Maithili Nandana Ram 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 Maruti Vandita Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Dasharatha Nandana Ram 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 Dashamukha Mardana Ram 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 Dasharatha Nandana Ram 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 Dashamukha Mardana Ram 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 Pashupati Ranjana Ram Ram Papa Vimochana Ram 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 Pashupati Ranjana Ram 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 Papa Vimochana Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Anatha Rakshaka Ram 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 Aapat Pandava Ram 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 Anatha Rakshaka Ram 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 Aapat Pandava Ram 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 Maithili Nandana Ram 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 Maruti Vandita Ram 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 Maithili Nandana Ram 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 Maruti Vandita Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Jaya Ram 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 Ram, Jai Ram 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 Ram.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Very good, super. Thank you all the participants. It's a wonderful singing, wonderful evening. Okay, this comes our bhajan session, end of our bhajan session. Okay, let us all welcome Mataji for her pravachan. Mataji, please.
नमस्ते
uh,
जी, नमस्ते
Mataji, namaskar.
नमस्ते जी, सभी को नमस्ते। Our all children's participants.
माताजी आपका वीडियो ऑन नहीं है।
अच्छा, ठीक है। Raj Bhai Sahab and other members of the this group. Namaste to all. Last time we discussed about something. What you have remembered, children, especially I am asking. We have to remember last and now. We can make a chain. Otherwise, we will not able to understand. In short, in 1-2 sentences only. 1-2 वाक्यों में सिर्फ बताएंगे आप.
Mataji, can I tell?
Yes, yes.
When some thought goes into our mind, it is hard to remove it from our mind.
Okay. How I explain these evils and crimes? Similar to these crimes and evils are similar to
Dust in the house.
anyone else? Purvaja, Dharya, Nidarshana.
Mataji, it is similar to dust in the house.
That's why I'm asking other children. You always participate, but others should also. Sakti Abhinaya, to whom I am calling, or other can also participate. Nidarshana and all this. Dharya, Anirudh,
Akshat.
Abhinaya, Anji. No one had remembered? You should note down these points only, okay? Then we will be able to understand next thing. पहला हम नोट कर लें 1-2 वाक्यों में ही क्या है, शॉर्ट में, संक्षेप में, तो फिर उसके साथ हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. इसको कनेक्ट करना है ना. कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे तो आप कैसे करेंगे, आगे कैसे समझेंगे? We have to connect last conversation and now. May I tell? Only we have compared these evilness and crimes with dirt and dust. As dirt and dust enter inside the home without any effort, like this, these crimes, the evilness also enters in human mind. Not in human mind only, but especially for these our youths and adolescents are very immune to this. They very quickly adopt all this evilness. Why? Why youth and adolescents are only? We are why focusing on that, on those people. Because this is the stage, it is very sensitive stage of our life. Teenagers, you have always heard about teenagers. These are teenagers, we are very conscious about this. Why this stage is very sensitive, and this is the turning point of our life. Okay, in this stage, these are not included among children, not among adults. These, when they go to play with children, adults say, no, you are not child. You're not a child. Why are you playing like this? When they participate with among adults, they say, you are not so adult, you are not so mature that you are participating with us. This is very sensitive point for them. So what should be them? What should we do? This stage will come, necessary, it is necessary. In everyone's life, this stage will come. Then how should we tackle them, and why these evils and crimes are enter in this stage? This is reason one I told you. And other is that in our, it is experienced and proved by science also, that from the very childhood, when child lives at home in a family, every small activities effect on his mind. हर एक काम जो भी हमारे फैमिली में होता है उसका प्रभाव बच्चे पर शुरू से ही पड़ता जाता है. तो दैट imprint of every activities is printed on his mind. हर एक कार्य का संस्कार उसके मन में पड़ता जाता है, और he is naturally affected by these habits and these natures. We see when our parents are earning for us. Now I am grown up, but when we were child, our parents do their duty, but while earning money and while earning comforts for us, they many times they go on wrong path. They adopt wrong behavior also. Sometimes they deceive anyone, sometimes they tell untruth, many times they do not respect our elders, their parents also, and every activity is seen by children, and this imprints effect and it settled in his mind. And when he is grown up, after some years, he is grown up, when he thinks I am grown up, I am adult, I can do, and he follows by nature all these behaviors. You see, whatever is behaved in our families, we follow them. We follow those habits and those things. What types of habits are in our family for food? What are the habits for our talk and other things? Many times I heard people say, when I call them, children say, answered ha ha, because then I many times I correct them, no, you should not tell ha, hanji. But when I see their parents are also answering like this is adopted by them by nature. So their parents, when they grown up and behave like their parents, deception and disrespect for their parents, they say, what is done wrong by us? We have well behaved them, we have given all facilities, all education comforts for them, but they are not aware about their behavior like this. They don't think that it is very important. They are telling by anger, discussing or tell their children or other people with anger, deception, or by disrespect. These all things are followed by children. And other thing is our imprints. These are called the sanskaras. Sanskaras are our previous birth also. Our sanskaras of previous birth also help us to create our habits and nature. Present sanskaras, previous sanskaras, and our environment. Many times we see their friends and school circle, friends and other circle, they behave that only they are materialistic. Why? They don't think that there is another thing apart from this visible body and visible world. Nothing else is there. So they all are engaged in materialistic behavior. Like our parents, they also engaged in collecting money and other material things, not go to this spiritual line, because they don't think that it is necessary, nor it is taught by their parents or in the schools. These things are not taught. Do you think in your schools are these about God, rebirth, humility, or all these things, respect to their parents? Is it taught in teachers in your schools? Among your friends? It is discussed among your friends? No? If your parents and elders in the family can teach you these things. So it is the duty of in the family members, elders members, they have to teach their children about these things, which is not visible. God is not visible for us. Our soul is not visible by us. This dharma religion is not visible, but these are very important for us. But when we will learn about it, their importance, then we can follow them. This is the human nature, not human nature, soul nature. Soul by nature is, it does whatever is beneficial for him, for it. Every soul is. I am a human. You read, you go to school for study. Why you are going to for study? Why your children are go for study? It's very difficult, है many children don't take interest in studying. It is boring. Why, when your parents say leave this watching this TV, go and do your study, what you feel at that time? Get up early in the morning, you have to study. Is it interesting? At that time you feel, what's the problem is this studying? No? जब कहा जाता है आपको बच्चों, ये जो हिंदी समझ रहे हैं कि आप पढ़ो, तो हमें कैसे लगता है, कितना मुश्किल लगता है ना पढ़ना, हमें कितनी परेशानी है पढ़ना, पर फिर why do we study? Even there is difficulty, it is difficult, not interesting, but we do study. Why? This Lakshmi Lochana and other open your this camera video. No one
Participants, please try to participate. It is an interactive session. எல்லாரும் participate பண்ணுங்க, ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. இது வந்து கத்துக்கிறது வந்து
if this study is so difficult, it obstructs our interest in playing or watching TV, all these things, but you are doing study. Why?
Because if we study, we can gain knowledge and it will be helpful for our future.
Because this study will create our life, positive. It will give positive result. It is beneficial for us. Many times our parents tell us, teach us that you should study, because if you don't study, you will be ignorant. You have no knowledge. How will you earn your money? How will you behave in the society? After studying, after gaining this knowledge, then we can behave properly in the society. Then we can earn and we can get a good position in the society. These are benefits for us. तो पढ़ने से हमें बहुत सारे लाभ होते हैं, इसलिए हम ये पढ़ते हैं. So, I want to say that every work we do, every activity, maybe it is difficult, but it is beneficial. So we follow that work. When we will see that this following religion, following remembering God, doing meditation is beneficial for us, then we will do. Otherwise, we will not do. Many times I tell you while doing meditation in Sunday's session that so then we should learn the what is God, what is rebirth, what is all these things. Then we will proceed this slowly in other sessions. All these things are beneficial. How these are beneficial? How should we get this knowledge? This is the responsibility of our parents to give us knowledge of all these things. Thank you. Thank you all. Namaste.
Thank you, Mataji. Dhanyavad. Does anybody want வேற யாராதுக்கும் தமிழ்ல இந்த இது டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணணுமா? யாருக்காவது புரியலையா சொல்லுங்க.
One sec, Ramesh ji. One sec. There's a standing request from us. All the children, we will not say again and again. Anirudh, Akshaj, Lakshmi Lochna, Nidarshana, Purvaja, everybody should put their mic on when the Mataji wants to discuss with you. Only when you share with her will she have the interest to tell you something, and you will also learn. Please, the last time I'm requesting all the children, 5 minutes video should be on. Please do it right away. It's my request to you. And Mataji, what all she says, please interact. Is it clear? Please interact. Yesterday, last Friday, Mataji enna sonnanga na video group la potten. Evala pasanga and the video pathinga. Please unmute. Unmute everybody. Video on. Evolo pasanga. How many children saw the video put in the group and the two parts are in the, because my video could not be pushed out one side or two halves. How many children heard the video of what Mataji spoke last Friday on the summary kurta? How many people heard? Anirudh, Akshat, Ketingla Ilya. Please, in future, Purvaja, Nidarshana, Mataji, what she says, I give you an English translation on Thursday evening. Right, Amma? Deva say you go into and hear it. If you don't understand English, Tamil translate pandra. In the program is for the benefit of children who are going to take care of us, the society and the country in future. Okay. We don't want your grandfather or me pushing you. You come and sit over here with the video of. No, we don't want such children. We want children to please participate. Purvaja video pathinglamma. Nidarshana. Video pathiyama.
Sir.
Solumma. Every Thursday evening, what Mataji translates, I am going to translate in the group. Sure. Everybody should see it. How many people saw yesterday, last Friday's video? One by one. Purvaja, mic on, please. We can't go on like this. We need participants. We want our children to grow. Okay. Not merely physically, but also the buddhi. Okay. Video Patima. Why are you looking at your mother? In future, you please see. Right? Uma Maheshwari madam, avanga coming. Okay, please. Next, Nidarshana, Shakti, please. Video on. Shakti Abhinaya.
Nidarshana video on la dhaan sir irukka.
Illama Shakti Nidarshana nee nethu Mataji pona velikadama video enna sonnanga, the video paathiya ketiya? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Please, in future, na group la podvamma, take the mobile from your mother Thursday night before you go to sleep. Hear the thing and try to put it in your brain and practice it. Right, Amma? In future, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because Mataji wants you to all spiritually grow. Anirudh,
Okay.
Akshat, video, Pati Amma?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. In future, when you're attending the next Friday, this Friday, what Mataji said, video will be there. Please learn it and fix it in your brain. It is as important as your physics and chemistry. Okay. Right. Very good. Elders also.
Okay, sir.
Shakti Abhinaya,
Sir.
please. We are doing something very serious. We are building, Mataji is giving an evening time for building your future. It's not a joke. Nama velladlamma time waste panla. Lakshmi Lochana, you can also be interactive. My other children not interacting, you create the interest. Puridamma,
Okay, sir.
Shakti Abhinaya,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please. We have mic video on பண்ணுங்கம்மா. நேத்து video போட்டேன். One minute.
Sir,
40
on
minutes.
la sir. On la.
நேத்து video Mataji last Friday what she said, put the video in the group. Did you see it? Mic on. Did you see it?
No, sir.
Why? Why so much of laziness?
No, sir.
Will you see it in future?
Down. Yes. Today, now itself, yes, now I will see, sir. After the program, I will see, sir.
It will not come today. You're not at all listening what I'm saying. You're physically present, but mentally you're not present. I will not send the video today. I will send the video next Thursday. On the 29th, when Mataji is going to talk, on 28th, you will get a video in the group what he spoke today. Right?
Sir,
We take so
Sir,
much of
network issue
interest
of-
in movies, sports. Okay, please do that. That is not bad. You need that also for body entertainment. But Mataji is giving you for soul, your all-round personality development. Okay. நீங்க ரஜினிகாந்த், ஷாருக் கான், கோன் பனேகா கரோர்பதி எல்லாம் வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. But please, for your body alone, don't stop. Mataji is going to give you work for your spirit, your atma, which I'm going to translate for you. Gentlemanly agreement. எல்லா பசங்க வீடியோ பார்த்த பிறகுதான் நீங்க அடுத்த வெள்ளிக்கிழமை அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க. Okay? All the children will hear the translation come on next Friday. Is it gentlemanly agreement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு நோட்புக் எத்தனை வாங்க, நோட்புக் என்ன மாதாஜி எழுதுறாங்க டேட் பிரகாரம் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. Please. We have all, this great country has wasted lot of its precious time. No more. You know what all is happening in your neighborhood. Please, we have to safeguard our culture, our spiritualism, our nationalism, our country. On left and right, to please read the newspaper, what all is happening. Havoc in Afghanistan and Bangladesh. We have to get up and preserve our integrity, our character, our religion, our culture, our nationality. And it is only possible if you go on Vedic philosophy taught by the Arya Samaj Vidwans and the other acharyas from other panth also. Okay, Ma?
Right. Thank you, Rajji. Thank you very much.
In future, I will not waste so much of my energy waking you up again. Please wake up. Right, sir.
Right. Now,
Elders also, please hear the video. Mataji is definitely going to give you something which we all know, but is lying in your subconscious state of mind. Today, I know there are so many people whose children will get married. They'll be grandmothers. What you're learning now from Mataji is a refreshment for you. You can teach your grandson, granddaughter when 3 years down the line. Right? Mataji is taking away the dust which is lying on our knowledge. We know everything. We are not foolish, but we are not practicing or we have forgotten it. Please. Yes,
thank you,
Ramesh.
Rajji. Thank you. Now, vote of thanks by Lakshmi Lochana.
Thanks to all the participants of Bal Bhajan Sandhya. Special thanks to
Come close to the mic, madam.
hearty thanks to Mataji and program hosts. Thanks to all of you. Keep participating and keep joining new friends to this group. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay.
धन्यवाद,
धन्यवाद जी,
माताजी।
धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
धन्यवाद माता जी, सबको धन्यवाद। अगले फ्राइडे sharp 7 p.m. we'll meet. And
We'll
one
meet.
final announcement: if anybody in the group is participating in on Zoom in our Bal Satsang program every Sunday 6 to 7:45, yoga, Havan, Mataji teaches meditation, Naitik Siksha videos. Please come. If you're not able to join at 6 o'clock, at least join with your children at 7 o'clock. Every Sunday, same Zoom link, same password, everything same. Please try joining in. धन्यवाद.
Thank you. Thank you. धन्यवाद। शुभ रात्रि।
Good night.